equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD07. Gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a brush. Begin with a visual inspection. Check for any blockages in the hose and brush bar. Remove any debris you find. Next, use the screwdriver to take off the brush bar. Clean it thoroughly with the brush. This ensures optimal performance. Now, let's clean the filter. Remove it from the machine and rinse it under cold water. Avoid using any detergents. Let it dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting. While you're at it, check the dust canister. Empty it and wipe it down with a soft cloth. This helps maintain the color and condition of your vacuum. If you notice any issues, remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Always ask for a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your Dyson. Plug it back in and enjoy a cleaner home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.